In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search channels in Slack. If you've ever found yourself sifting through messages or channels, unsure of where to find the discussions you're looking for, this video will guide you through the process of searching for channels efficiently. Let's start by going to Slack. Open your Slack app on your device, whether it's on your computer or smartphone, or simply enter the Slack website on your browser. Once you have the Slack interface in front of you, the next step is crucial: logging in. You can do this using your email address, or if you prefer, you can log in using your Google or Apple account. Logging in with a service you frequently use can save you time and streamline your workspace access. Now that we're logged in, let's focus on selecting the workspace you want to search in. Once you're inside Slack, look for your chosen workspace. You'll usually find this at the sidebar on the left. Click on the workspace name and you're taken inside it. This is your home base for finding the channels you need. The simplest way to find a channel is by using the search field. Locate the search bar at the top of the Slack interface. This is the field where you can type the name of the channel you're looking for. As you start typing, Slack will suggest channels, messages, and files that match your search terms. It's a quick and direct way to pinpoint what you're looking for without getting lost in a list of channels. But what if you don't remember the exact channel name or want to explore? Slack has a solution for this. Check out the sidebar on the left again, where you see the title Channels. If the channel isn't listed there right away, don't worry. There's a little trick. Hover your cursor beside the title Channels until you see a small down arrow appear. Click on Manage, which lets you customize your sidebar. However, if you're just here to search, hover over the next arrow to access the Browse Channels feature. By selecting Browse Channels, you can view a full list of every public channel in the workspace. This function lets you see what channels are available to you, even those you might not have known existed. If you're part of a big team, this feature is invaluable for discovering new departments, projects, or interest groups within your organization. Remember, effective searching in Slack not only helps in finding things faster, but also ensures you stay connected with the right teams and information. Now that you're equipped with these tools, you can easily navigate through your Slack workspace to find exactly what you need. Enjoy exploring and getting the most out of your Slack experience.